Today, we're going to look at some of the teeth from some of the largest and most well-known dinosaurs, the theropods. These were dinosaurs that walked on two legs instead of four, and most of them ate meat. We can tell a lot about the lives of dinosaurs like Allosaurus, Spinosaurus, and of course the T-Rex, just by looking at their fossilized teeth. One of the most well-known families of dinosaurs are the Allosaurids. Allosaurus and its relatives were medium to large-sized dinosaurs that lived during the Jurassic era, about 153 million years ago. Our first tooth comes from the Morrison Formation and was found in Wyoming. This would have been from an adult dinosaur. Allosaurus is a very well-studied dinosaur because the Morrison Formation has produced lots of these fossils. One of the largest theropods was a dinosaur sometimes called the African T-Rex, Carcaridontosaurus. Carcaridontosaurus was not a relative of the T-Rex, but they were just as big and just as fierce. They lived in Africa about 95 million years ago. Their teeth could reach lengths of up to 7 inches, and it's unclear what exactly this dinosaur ate, but we know its massive teeth were used to eat meat. Several other large theropods lived in the Cretaceous in North Africa, alongside Carcharodontosaurus, including the largest of all theropods, the Spinosaurus. Spinosaurus were different than most other theropods, and this is very noticeable when we examine their teeth. They have very conical teeth, with very fine serrations. These teeth look more crocodilian than theropod, but that is because they ate different kinds of food. Spinosaurus teeth were designed to catch and eat fish. Bellosaurus were theropod dinosaurs that lived in South America and Africa during the Cretaceous. They ranged from fairly small to large in size. Some had forearms even smaller than the T-Rex. In North Africa 95 million years ago, several Bellosaurus were present, including Rugops, which is believed to have been a scavenger. It was not very large compared to other huge theropods that shared its environment, so it had to eat different things to survive. Our next tooth is an early relative of the Tyrannosaurs, Timurlingia. This tooth is about 95 million years old and comes from the Beseki Formation of Uzbekistan. Though smaller than its later relatives, Timurlingia would have been a top predator in its environment. Gorgosaurus lived about 9 million years before the larger relative T-Rex. This tooth comes from the Judith River Formation of Montana. Gorgosaurus lived alongside Daspletosaurus, another type of tyrannosaur. Evidence suggests they may have had different habitat preferences, but they were both apex predators. The most well-known dinosaur, of course, is the T-Rex, and they are known for their fearsome teeth. These teeth are from Montana, and they belong to the king of all dinosaurs. T-Rex teeth could exceed 5 inches in length. The larger one of these teeth is a premaxillary tooth, which comes from the front of the jaw. T-Rex used its serrated teeth and extremely powerful jaws to establish itself as top of the food chain in North America 66 million years ago. For all we know about dinosaurs, there are still a lot of mysteries. One of those mysteries is what animal did our final tooth of the day actually come from? Some people think this tooth belonged to a juvenile T-Rex. Others believe that a second, smaller tyrannosaur called the Nanotyrannus also existed. This mystery may soon be solved because a museum recently purchased a famous fossil called the dueling dinosaurs. The true identity of this tooth should come to light after scientists are able to figure out if Nanotyrannus was a separate animal or just a juvenile T-Rex. What do you think? Is this just a baby T-Rex tooth? Or is it a completely different species? See you in the next episode of Fossil Friday.